In this video, you'll learn how to get free cryptocurrency through airdrops on Binance. This guide will take you through the steps needed to participate in these campaigns and maximize your rewards. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. If you are not already signed in, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Once you click on it, enter your account credentials to access your account. After logging in, locate the announcements or rewards section, which can usually be found in the main menu. This area contains important information about ongoing airdrop campaigns. Once you are in the announcements or rewards section, carefully look for details regarding current airdrop campaigns. It is essential to read the eligibility rules associated with each airdrop. Some airdrops may require you to hold specific assets in your wallet or to meet certain participation criteria. Understanding these requirements is crucial before you proceed, as this step ensures you are aware of the availability of airdrops you can join. Next, ensure that you meet all the requirements for the airdrop you're interested in. This may involve holding the specified tokens in your Binance wallet. Additionally, participating in required activities such as trading or staking may also be necessary. Pay attention to the balance in your wallet during the snapshot period, as this is when your holdings will be evaluated. It is important to avoid transferring your assets away from your wallet during this time, since doing so could disqualify you from receiving the airdrop rewards. After the distribution date has passed, check your wallet balance to confirm that you received the airdrop tokens. You can do this by navigating to the wallet section of your account. Look for the airdrop history to review the tokens credited to your account. It is advisable to save any transaction records related to the airdrop for your reference. Once you confirm receipt, you can choose to use or trade the tokens you have received. If you notice that the tokens are missing, contacting Binance support may be necessary to resolve any issues. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.